Hello, hello, hello. I hope y'all are doing well today. I'm doing good. Just got a delivery. And I figured, you know what? I'll do a mask haul. I haven't seen anyone do a mask haul, so here one goes. Delivered in a grocery sack. And it is filled. But there's not just masks in here. I mean, yes, there is a large amount of the 3M masks. Looks like probably maybe like 100 of these, and these are the ones that go around the back of your head and give you a nice good tight seal around the front. And if you have facial hair, this actually gives you a decent seal around any facial hair that you might be experiencing. Also, we have this type of mask, which is like the duckbill mask, ones that are really like long this way. Also, these actually, you know what, I think these work a little bit better for those who have a lot of face hair than these ones do. These still work well, don't get me wrong, but I think the ones that have that bill shape do really well. And it looks like there's, I don't know, maybe 50 in here, 40 or 50 in here, so a very good amount. And then also in here we have 2 boxes with 2 tests each. Yep, nasal swab test for, you know, that right there. I don't want to say it. The algorithm hates when people say that word, so I'll just point right there. Test for that. So we've got 4 total tests, and like I said, these are the up the old. Thank goodness I got a big snoz, because I can take these tests all day with no problem. But yeah, the cost of this, all of these masks, the tests and everything, $0 for well over 100 3M very protective, very safe masks. Tests, like, you can't beat free, right? No, you can't beat free. My wife is actually the one who found this program that provides free masks to anyone who is in need of them, and I think that's pretty amazing. I'll look and see if I can find some type of a link or something to put below for others to be able to get this opportunity of getting some free masks. And yeah, I know that there are a ton of people out there that don't wear them anymore. They just don't feel that it's something that they personally need to do anymore. I have lupus and Sjogren's syndrome, so I am immune compromised. I have to stay safe, and because I'm immune compromised, my wife has to stay safe as well, so she doesn't get infected and bring home, you know, anything that is going to cause me a problem. So yeah, every time that we leave the house and go into a business, we have a mask on. When we're driving around in the car, just the 2 of us, obviously, maybe not obvious, but we don't wear a mask then. But yeah, if we're going to interact with anyone else in the world outside of her and I, they're masked up. And now we've got tons of masks, so yay! I'm very excited about this. I mean, seriously, this is the mother load. Now with the 4 tests, we utilize these for the fact of if we have a visitor come over. If a friend or a loved one is going to come over and come into the house, we have them first take a test, I almost said the word, a C test in their vehicle. Bring it out to them, hand it to them via car window. They stay in their car, they take their test, they wait the 15 minutes. I hope they have something on their phone that they can watch, or they can hook up to our Wi-Fi and scroll the internet or whatever. But yeah, they're not stepping foot in here until they have a clean test. And maybe that makes me radical or unhinged or whatever. I don't want to get infected. I know plenty of people who have been infected and whose lives were greatly affected. I even know people who have lost loved ones due to getting infected with this. So it isn't something that I even want to chance or play with. I have never been infected with it. My wife has never been infected with it, and we want to keep it that way for the rest of our lives, if at all possible. I don't even want to have any dealings with it at all. So better safe than sorry. I'm super happy about the mask. Let me know in the comment section if you want anything. I was gonna say, let me know if you wear masks in public, but I know the majority of the people that are watching probably don't, and that's fine. If that's what you need to do for you, then hey, you do you. That's perfectly okay with me. It ain't no skin off my teeth. Not that I have teeth to take skin off of, but I think you know what I'm saying. But yeah, let me know down below. How about this? For those who don't wear masks, let me know down below how you feel or what you think when you see people out and about wearing a mask. Does it bother you? Do I even want to know if it bothers you? Yeah, I do want to know if it bothers you. Does it bother you? And if it does, why does it bother you? Please tell me. Does it offend you? Does it make you feel unsafe? Does it make you feel agitated? Maybe it gets under your skin. Maybe it's like a pet peeve now for some people. They just, I don't know. I just know that I want to be safe. I want my wife to be safe, and this is a way that we can be safe. So thank you so much for watching this. Damn, this went long, and for a pretty simplistic haul. I guess I just was in a talkative mood. I hope y'all are doing well. I will see if I can put a link below. I will put a link below to 3M mask on Amazon for sure, but if I can find a link where you can potentially get masks sent to you for free or brought to you for free, I will most certainly put that down, because if someone needs them or wants them, you should have them. Everyone should have the opportunity to have access to those and be safe if they feel that that is something that they need to do. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!